Hello my friends, in today's episode on Grainificent, I will be showing you how to use a Leica M1 film camera. So without further ado, let's get to it. So with the Leica M1, it's a completely mechanical camera, so there's no battery for it, so you don't have to worry about that. To open up the bottom, twist this counterclockwise, and you open it up. Loading film is in a different video, so it will be linked in the description below. And on the back here, we got the flash ports. One is for a more modern flash. The other one is for those old flash bulbs. Of course, they are blocked off with these little flash port thingamajigs. And here we got the viewfinder. The Leica M1 does not have a rangefinder built in, but when you're looking through the window and you're focusing, the frame lines move to adjust for the parallax. So you don't see how you're focusing, but you see approximately what the photo will contain. As you see, the frame lines move a little bit to correct for the parallax when you're moving the focus. On the top here, from the left, when you raise this and turn this clockwise, you pull the film back into the spool. On the right hand side here, of course, you got your shutter lever, shutter release, and your shutter speeds. And there's a little lightning bolt here on the shutter dial telling you the flash sync speed. That's exactly 1/45 of a second. And I assume this is a cold shoe because it doesn't have any flash connections. At least I never found any information if these are any connections. Everywhere they say it's a cold shoe. And this wheel over here is your frame counter that you set to 0 after you load your film. And each time you pull the shutter lever, it will adjust one frame. Over here on the front, you got the film release button to release the film so you can roll it back. And of course, this is the focus mechanism over here on the lens. And the focus lock so it doesn't move itself in one position. And of course, this specific lens is foldable. So when you use it, you just take it out and turn it clockwise until it locks so it doesn't fall in while taking photos. And also from the front, here you got your frame line illuminator. It gathers light to illuminate the frame lines inside the viewfinder here. And to take the lens off, you have this button over here. You press it in and turn counterclockwise just a bit, and you can take the lenses off. And you see rangefinders don't have any mirror inside here because they work in a completely different way. I will talk about that in a video about rangefinders. And to put the lenses back on, you got a red dot. You should have a red dot. Sometimes it can be disappearing, but it's going to be a circle. You align it with the red dot by the button over here, just like that. And you spin clockwise and it locks into place. So that, my friends, is how you use the Leica M1 film camera. If you enjoyed this video, a subscribe would mean a lot to me. It shows me that I make helpful content. So thank you for watching, my friends. See you in the next video. Take care.